In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of a Figma element not showing up, and we'll do all of this in under 5 minutes. Whether you're a designer just starting out or a seasoned pro, encountering invisible elements in your design can be downright frustrating, but don't worry, this guide is here to make the process smooth and easy for you. Let's dive right in. To begin, we'll want to head over to Figma, the collaborative design tool that allows us to create all sorts of visually stunning elements. Open up your browser and navigate to Figma's website. If you haven't logged in already, make sure to click on the login button in the upper right corner. Enter your credentials and get ready to access the full features Figma has to offer. Once you're logged in, we'll need to visit your home page in Figma. This neat dashboard lets you access your recent projects and shared files. It's an excellent navigation hub, perfect for getting you right to the design you need to troubleshoot. With the home page open, let's move on to the design section. This is where the magic happens. Click on the design tab to shift your focus to the nitty-gritty details of your project. Here you'll find all your design elements and can pinpoint exactly where your invisible elements are hiding. The next critical step is to select the shape or element you're having trouble with. Clicking on the element will highlight it for further editing. If the element is not readily visible, make sure to check your layers panel on the left, which often helps locate elements that are tucked behind others or accidentally shifted out of view. Now, with your element selected, take a closer look at the right hand sidebar and click on opacity and fill. This crucial step allows you to adjust the visibility settings of your element. Sometimes an element is simply not showing because its opacity is set too low, or in some cases even 0. Adjusting the opacity will often instantly resolve visibility issues, and there you have it, just a few straightforward steps, and you've potentially solved the mystery of why that pesky element was eluding you. Remember, the key to effective troubleshooting in any design software is patience and systematically checking settings that might affect visibility. By following this guide, you'll enhance your workflow and navigate Figma's interface more confidently and efficiently. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial both helpful and empowering, and that your Figma projects run more smoothly moving forward. If you enjoyed this guide, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, happy designing.